To divide means to share or group equally, and this is designed for division. Let's look at a simple question to help us figure out what division really is. Let's divide 20 apples between two persons. How many apples would each person get? Well, here we have our 20 apples and we have our two people. The easiest way to do this is to give one apple to each person until there are no more and everyone has the same amount. So let's do that. Wow, well done! Now let's count to see how many apples each person has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for our first person, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for our second person as well. So they both have the same amount of apples, which means you have just divided. The number sentence for that would be 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Another way we can do division is through the use of repeated subtraction. Let's take this for example. 18 divided by 3. In order to figure this out, we can subtract in groups of 3 or threes from 18 and note how many times we repeatedly subtracted 3 until we got to 0. So let's try that out. Remember, we're going to subtract in groups of 3 from 18 until we reach 0. So 18 subtract 3 is equal to 15. 15 subtract 3 is equal to 12. 12 take away 3 is equal to 9. 9 take away 3 gives us 6. 6 subtract 3 gives us 3. And then 3 take away 3 is equal to 0. That gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of 3 that we subtracted. So 18 divided by 3 equals to 6 because we subtracted 3 repeatedly 6 times before we got to 0. For our last question, let's look at a word problem. David has 44 bracelets. How many groups of 11 can he get? Here are our 44 bracelets. Let's count sets of 11 and circle it to see how many we get. Well done! Let's count out how many groups of 11 we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic job! So you have just divided again. So 44 divided by 11 is 4. As you can see, there are no extras and no remainders. Thank you for visiting Math City today. Try the exercises on pennacool.com to earn points and win great prizes.